We all see the world through our own lens. For me, photography ignites my passion for storytelling. The ever-changing landscapes of Aruba have taught me that I have to utilize the natural environment in order to truly capture the scene around me. From exploring the natural arches of Cerro, Colorado, to the Guadarrama Cave on the eastern coast, it's places like this that push me to hone my craft. Photography is one of the most powerful forms of storytelling, and being able to share these moments with others is why I keep creating.